Hey guys, welcome back. It's Lisa with the Frugal Living Network. Guys, I want to talk to you about Christmas and Christmas shopping. Guess what today is? We only have 40 days left to finish up our Christmas shopping. Okay, so that means I want to help you out, help you stay organized, stay on budget, and also some fun Christmas ideas and crafts this year. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys 7 tips before you go Christmas shopping, a free budget planner for Christmas, and also a DIY dollar store craft idea at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So let's jump in. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so excited to have you. I love sharing financial, lifestyle, wellness, inspiration, and encouragement. So definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button for future videos like this. Okay guys, so 7 tips to help you out before you go Christmas shopping. I've got the full blog over on my website, so you can also read out. I'm going to kind of just snippet a few of these tips, so definitely head over to my website as I've got full details and some ideas for you guys. But www.lisahice.com, I'm going to put the link down below, and the blog will be over there, and also the freebie. So let's get started. So creating a budget. So before we really start our Christmas shopping, it's so good to create a budget for our Christmas season. So guys, I am gonna help you out. I have a Christmas shopping budget and planner available to you guys over on my website under the resources section, and also will be in the blog that will be linked down below in the description also, so you can definitely print this out. So it has everything that you need to stay organized. Your gifts, the name, the store location you got to get it from, the price, is it wrapping it, shipping, maybe you need to ship it out of town, and then also complete it. It also has a section to really set a budget amount for the year or for the Christmas season. So do you want to spend like $200, $300, $500, whatever that budget is? It also is going to tell you how much remaining you have and being able to adjust accordingly. So this is available to you guys for free. It's going to help you stay organized this year. Okay, so as we begin our Christmas budget, I really encourage you guys, use cash. Use cash instead of credit cards. It's just so easy with credit cards to overspend, and then it's like January comes and then you're like, oh my goodness, I have mounds of credit card debt that I'm gonna have to pay back. So guys, as you create your Christmas budget, analyze what can you purchase and how much can you spend if you just use cash. That's gonna save you so much in the end. Okay. Tip number 2, use a list. This is going to help you stay organized. Who do you need to buy for? Things like that. So you definitely use this this list. It's tip number 2. Number 3, if you are out of work right now or your income has been cut maybe a little less, unfortunately this last year has had a major impact on many of us financially. And I encourage you, be okay with spending less this year for Christmas. Your family, your friends, your children, hopefully they will understand. So as you begin to rearrange your Christmas season and your budget, really look at what you can truly spend and be okay with less. It is a year that's going to be adjusted for many of us. So if you don't have a lot of money, maybe think of some fun ideas of like DIY. I'm going to add a couple of things definitely throughout the next several weeks before the Christmas season to help you out with that. Brainstorm maybe some fun ideas, look at Pinterest, stuff like that. Tip number 4, you guys, shop early. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you started your Christmas shopping. If you have, hit the thumbs up, comment below, hit the yes that you started your Christmas shopping. I've done a few, but I definitely have a lot more to go. But guys, the online, if you're purchasing presents online or doing online shopping, definitely shop early, because with shipping and everything, it's gonna be delayed this year. So I definitely encourage you guys, start pretty quickly in the next week or 2 and getting those online purchases at least started because of that shipping delay. Okay guys, so tip number 5, unfortunately this time of year, and there is my cat, she likes to pop into our videos, doesn't she? Hi Zoe. She likes to do our cameos. Sorry guys, it is what it is. I have a cat. Okay, so tip number 5, you guys. Like I said, this time of year, we really have to be careful of Christmas fraud. I do not want to talk about this much, but I hate it. There's so much Christmas fraud online that happens. So guys, I have a full blog over on my website, and I'll actually put it down below in the description, that talks about identity theft and protecting yourself from financial theft online. So check that out, but I will put that on down below. So make sure when you are shopping online, is it a reputable website? You know, don't save your credit cards online. Don't do that. Maybe change any passwords after your purchases. I've got a full ideas over on my website on that blog, and I will put that down below. But just be careful of, you know, the fraud this time of year. Okay, tip number 6. Check for additional deals and discounts this time of year. I love that there is so many like discounts and coupons that you can use. There's also really great times of like if you check like different tag colors, maybe if you're at I don't know, just different stores, they have like different discounts. But there is so many ideas. If you have a membership, definitely use their coupons, sign up for those. But beware, if you sign up for those memberships, you're gonna get a lot more emails bombarded to your email box, and we don't want that, because sometimes that actually causes us to shop more. So be a little careful with that. I've got the full details over on this blog, so check that out on more ideas and some helpful tips in regards to additional deals and discounts and how to do that. So head over to the website, www.lisahice.com. Check out the blog. But also, guys, one thing that I really want to talk to you guys about is, when are you going to shop? So this year is going to be probably a very different. And we want to avoid unwanted crowds. So check your schedule. When is the best time for you to shop that's also safe? I really encourage you, if you can, shop midweek or later in the evenings where it's not so crowded. I don't like shopping, even grocery shopping, on the weekends. It's just so crazy and crowded. So, I mean, with everything going on with the COVID and everything, I really encourage you guys, if you can, do maybe some online shopping, but avoid the crowds this year. They're going to be limiting the number of people that actually can go into the stores. So beware of that. So, you know, midweek, most stores are actually restocked. So that's going to be better quality, better quantity. So check that out. Shop midweek. So that's tip number 7. So I'm going to recap real quick. Tip number 1, create a budget. Number 2, use a list. This free form is available to you guys over on my website, www.lisahice.com. So check this out. This will be available to you to keep you staying organized, all of that. If you are out of work and less income, be okay spending less, you guys. It's okay. Tip number 4, shop early, get those presents purchased, and start that shipping process quickly. Tip number 5 was beware and protect yourself from Christmas online fraud. Tip number 6, definitely check for deals and discounts. Tip number 7, avoid the weekend crowds and try to shop midweek. Okay, guys, so hopefully those tips help you out. If you have any questions, comment below. What is your budget this year? Would love to hear from you guys. If you guys use this Christmas budget form, tag me over on my Instagram, Frugal Living Network, and I would love to hear that you are using this and it's helpful. Okay, so let's pop into something fun for Christmas. There's my kitty cat. She likes to, like I said, she likes to do her cameos. Okay, guys, so I made this really adorable DIY little craft for less than $4. So actually it was only $3. This I actually already had, so maybe $4 if you have to buy the tea light. Okay, so I got this little glass just at the dollar store. It's so cute. And so I got these little sand. It's like a red and white sand at the dollar store, and I mixed them together. It's so cute. And then you can actually purchase, they have like a couple of these together. You can get these little, they're 3 in a pack. So they just have like these little, this one's so cute. It's like a little caroler. It has a little Christmas tree. It's so adorable. And then I actually just found like a tea light just running around my house, but if you need to buy one, I know that they have them also. So this is just a fun little idea just to kind of light up the house. I don't use real candles too much because of having my kitty cat, because, well, she jumps around and does things that I don't really want her to do. Okay, so guys, this is a fun idea. Just a quick, easy, very inexpensive, fun idea and craft to do with your kiddos or family, whatever. So check this out, items at the dollar store. Guys, I hope these tips has helped you out. If this video was helpful, definitely hit the thumbs up. Subscribe, because I'm gonna send out lots of future videos on helping you through the holiday season coming up. I'm gonna be sharing some fun things for Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for that. It was great to see you guys, and we will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.